Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today, with only 4 ingredients, we're going to show you how to make some delicious shortbread cookies. If you're a first-time baker or wanting something simple to make with your kids, this is the ideal recipe. So let's get started. Weigh out 8 ounces of butter and let it warm to room temperature. And then slice it into cubes and add it to a large mixing bowl. If your butter's straight out the fridge and you don't want to wait, you could just grate it into the bowl instead. Measure out 4 ounces of sugar and 1 pound of flour. And then put the bowl in your mixer. If you don't have a large mixer like this one, you can use a small electric hand mixer. When the butter's gone creamy and smooth, then you can add the sugar. Add half a teaspoon of salt. When the butter and sugar are mixed, then you can add the flour. If the dough sticks to the paddle, give it a clean so everything gets thoroughly combined. The dough is ready when it reaches a nice crumbly consistency. Clear a space in your worktop to roll the dough. Put some flour on your rolling pin and the surface to stop the dough from sticking. Then form the dough into a ball and use a rolling pin to roll it into about a 1/4 inch thickness. And then you can cut out the cookies using any shape you want. Then place the cookies on a baking tray with some parchment paper to stop them from sticking. Texture the top of the cookie using a fork. And sprinkle some sugar on the top of the cookies. Reform the dough into a ball, roll it out again and cut out more cookies. You just keep doing this until there's no dough left. The fork holes help the sugar stay on the cookies. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. I'm using a fan oven. When your oven's ready, put the cookies in the middle shelf. Bake them for between 15 and 20 minutes, but take them out when the edges start to go golden brown. And that's it. Baking shortbread cookies with your kids is a fun and easy activity that they will enjoy. These cookies taste amazing and are the perfect treat to enjoy with your family and friends. We hope you've had fun making these cookies with us. Thanks for watching and happy baking. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and check out my cooking playlist for other interesting recipes.